Petals Bless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to show you how I made those two easy DIYs using dollar store items and more. So let's get right into it. These are the items for our first DIY. Alright everyone, we're going to use these mirrors that we got from the Dollar Tree. I believe they're 4x4. So we are going to use some of these tumbling blocks to put our square box together. And I'll be using some Gorilla Glue and some hot glue. So just follow along and you'll see how we're going to put this box together. Now that our box is complete, we're going to use another mirror tile and put at the bottom and glue it in the same way with the tumbling blocks, so we have a bottom for our box. Now on each side of our box, I am going to put some images, which I got off of my Cricut. Now I'm going to be adding some of this GLAM silver chain to add a little bit more decor to each side of our box. And I'll be using some E6000 to glue down the chain. And here's our finished look. A nice and easy mirrored box for a lovely decor for this spring/summer. It's very nice, and the dollar store has little images that you can also get and add to the box. You don't have to have a Cricut. I think it looks absolutely lovely and cute, nice and fresh, like I said, for summer. Now, while I was in the Dollar Tree, I saw these wood dices. Don't these look so nice? I think they look super cute, so I picked up some for our next DIY. And here are the items we're using for DIY number 2. Okay, here are our wood dices. They're really nice and firm. So I'm going to use some white paint and paint both our dices white. Now we have one of these glass candle holders from the Dollar Tree. And we're just going to put some of our gold chain going around the candle holder, and I'll be using some of this Gorilla Glue to glue it down. Now we have this little vase here from the Dollar Tree, and we are going again adding our gold chain and using the Gorilla Glue to add the chain to the vase. Now I'm going to be adding some of the gold mirror tiles that I got from Temu. Yes. If you saw my Temu haul, I got these mirrored tiles from them. So now we're just going to add it going right around our vase. now I am just going to add some of our gold chain going right around the top and the bottom of our mirror tiles. And here are our 2 dice all dry. So now we're going to add some of the gold mirror tiles to our dice and decor them out. And now that everything is done, we're going to put them together. Here is our lovely candle holder. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of my diced candle holder. Yeah, because there are 2 dices, so I called it a diced candle holder. And here it is with some tea lights. Sorry, with some string lights inside. Yeah, that I got from the Dollar Tree. You could use a real candle if you like, it would look lovely. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today, and I hope I have inspired you with 2 lovely DIY decors using items from the dollar store and more to glam up your home or to give as a gift for this spring/summer season. And I hope you guys will give me a thumbs up for today's 2 DIYs. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.